And each of us have a very, very important story. All of our stories matter. And your face when I was
eat your hair.
when you were talking, when I was talking, you were making faces.
Because it was going into your mouth right there. She tried to eat her hair, and I have it recorded. All right, you good now?
I thought I was good.
Yep, a hanger.
You're a hanger?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up? Woo! What's up?
Download, and that isn't on the screen. So on this page.
Yeah, that was really good.
All right. And blah blah blah. Where was
Resources
I going
and
with
tools. We have this here as resources and tools to get you.
Whether you're the new person, that's what I needed. Actually moving and recording, so that is good.
A great thing. If you want it on the screen, it can be.
Yeah. All right. Good?
Yeah, that one was pretty good.
Okay, so we are huge advocates of.
Sorry. I was doing the track.
Okay. Stop touching yourself. No.
Do you think I
did
need
a little tiny bit, but not much.
Okay.
And I definitely shouldn't stand anywhere that you can see me. Because that was
distracting.
Yeah.
Well, a way to communicate, basically like text. You are giving me the worst.
I don't want to be in this.
Okay, then don't.
I'm out.
You can find my lip gloss. I need some red lips. All right, WhatsApp. What in the, or I should say on the website that you're looking at, or the page. WhatsApp. All right, WhatsApp.
Yep.
It's important. I live on alarms. It's part of the fun system that has been proven to work for us. Wow. My hair. Okay.
Don't look up there. Look down here.
Okay. Now I got a nose itch. Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Cool. Okay.
What's up? Let's talk about. Honey, why don't you get in here with me?
Because I don't want to sit there for 5 minutes not saying anything.
5 minutes? You think I'm gonna talk for 5
I
minutes
do.
about WhatsApp?
Yep.
Upline your team.
Your support family.
Your support family. That was the word that I wanted.
Support family. I know, that was distracting, huh?
Yep.
Careful, I don't have a cover thing on that. Brother. You can add in your 2 cents.
I don't have 2 cents about
You don't
WhatsApp.
have 2 cents? Okay. WhatsApp! All right, we are going to talk about... I have it right here.
Done.
And the last one.
Make this a business.
Awesome. Really good. I was just thinking too.
Alright. So, do you want that?
All of the WhatsApp messages. Here we go.
Perfect. Good?
I don't know. Good enough for now.
What's that?
That was perfect. That should be easy because you're going to be using Vitality Stack, Axios, True Science. That was really good. How'd you feel about that one?
Good, but now I'm coffee. Ready?
Yes. How was that?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp! You want to start it?
Nope.
Okay. Are you recording?
Yep.
Oh, you are. All right. WhatsApp!
That was very Good.
So good, baby.
That's what you get. Don't throw a fit.
Get what you get, and you don't throw
So
a
what
fit.
is this? Close?
Action time.
Action.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Do not text that mom.